Okay, here we go again. Today I would like to talk about how all penguins are actually just fucking you off with the fact that they have flippers. Okay, follow along with me. Penguins flippers. Every single time they're in movies, their flippers are their hands. So, that means it's just one finger. We can assume that one finger should be and can be taken as the middle finger. So, really, all penguin movies should not have the rating of PG or any of that shit because, yeah, they're all flipping you off. Especially Surf's Up because it involves Shia LaBeouf. Also, the starter chicken. That's about it. Bye.